Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being flutter. Now I really wish I could fly or flutter off the ground even just a little bit, that'd be pretty awesome. But either way, let's get into this painting. So coming into this piece, I really wanted to make a cute picture of a bird frantically fluttering his wings, trying to land on a branch he's coming a little hot on. So the way I drew the wings is how I would draw wings in an animation, with not a full idea of where the wings specifically are, by adding a blur to having the wings in 3 different positions. This is a really easy and effective way to really show a fast amount of motion in a picture. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word flutter. I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. And don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!